Let's get started.
They seem better just after they dry. All right, getting after this, let's see how it looks before and after. The leather is all right, it's showing its age, and it's got that one tear. There's 3 cracks. And if it wasn't for the rotten frame, it'd be great. So this wasn't great. After looking at the exhaust, the rear sway bar was rotted out quite a bit. So I just decided to remove it for now, and we'll get after it later. It is out of the vehicle. Wheels, they're bubbling up and that chrome is coming off. I was able to take off some of that chrome, and I kind of liked the alloy underneath. I think I'm going to go with that. Little by little, we'll get it there.
Please like and subscribe. Por favor, dale me gusta y suscríbete.